Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill out the missing part on the table below. Find the value of interest I. So we have to find the value here. We know that simple interest can be found out with this relation equal simple interest equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time whole divided by 100. Now this rate is in percent and time is in years. The given value of time is in months. So we have time equal to 9 months, which has to be converted to years. So in order to convert 9 months to years, we simply divide by 12. That is total number of months. Yes. So now we will put this value of time in above relation. So simple interest is equal to 2500 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 9 whole divided by 100 multiplied by 12. So zeros cancel out. Let's see. 25 nines are 225 multiplied by 3.5 whole divided by 12. That's equal to, let's perform this multiplication. 3.5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 2s are 6. So 5, 7, 8, 7, and decimal point will be one digit from right side, after one digit from right side. So that is 787.5 divided by 12, which is equal to, let's see, 12 6 are 72, 6 remains, 67 is here, 12 5s are 60, 7 remains, I have to put decimal point here, 75. Now again 12 6 are 72, 3 remains, 12 2s are 24, 6 remains, now 12 5s are 60. So simple interest is $65.625. Interest. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A.